How to remove gamma watermark from your PowerPoint presentation. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the gamma's watermark on your PPT. So if you've used this Gamma AI to create a PowerPoint presentation, as you can see, it will ask you to pay a premium price to remove the Made with Gamma watermark. So in this case, what you can do is, first of all, I'm just going to show you the presentation that I have just downloaded right here. So you will see there will be little watermarks all over the presentation that shows that the PowerPoint has been made using Gamma. So as you can see here, it says made with Gamma right here at the bottom. So if you want to remove this kind of watermark, then what you need to do is, first of all, go ahead and open up canva.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. If you are not, you can just sign in with your account. So once you get here, you are going to create a new document that will be a PowerPoint. So go ahead and click on presentation and it will create you a new design. So from here, you want to click on File at the top and then click on Upload Files. Now from here, you can just drag and drop your files or click on Upload Files to upload your file that you've just downloaded. So once you do that, it will start uploading the file. So once you have uploaded the file, you can just drag and drop it on your screen. And once you do that, you can just select this part right here, right click on it and simply delete this. You can do this for all of the slides that you have, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.